is Dr. Pooja Rai, founder Stance Active India. Welcome back to our channel. Today, let me give you a brief idea about forward head posture and its corrections. Nowadays, majority of people are bearing forward head posture at an early age, as early as 10. Yes, thanks to our gadgets and laptops. Forward head posture is a major root cause or a major reason for spondylitis, early degenerations of the spine, and also frequent pains among the teenagers. Did you know that? Yes, it is. Forward head posture happens when our cervical spine loses its curvature. Our spine has certain curvatures, like the cervical spine has a C curvature, the thoracic spine has an inverted C, and the lumbar spine also has a C curvature. Our cervical and lumbar spine share same curvatures. Forward head posture happens when the cervical spine loses its C curvature and becomes straight. Here you see the head being forward and shoulders backwards. Forward head posture happens among the kids who are habitually involved in usage of mobile phones and other gadgets over a period of time. It also happens among the people who are working from home nowadays, or people who are working in the office using laptops for long periods of time, bending their head down. It is also seen among the housewives who are constantly involved in cooking and baking for long periods. Here in forward head posture, you generally see a hump formation at the base of the neck, which eventually leads to fat depositions and ugly spine appearance. Dowagers hump is a progressive condition. If untreated, it leads to the compression of the disc and the adjacent nerves, giving you recurrent neck pains. Eventually, it will also affect your thoracic and the lumbar spine. This we call it as Dowagers hump. Let me show you a few exercises which can help you in correcting your forward head posture at home in your comfort zone. Forward head posture happens when the muscles around the shoulder and neck are not positioned well. Let's start with simple neck stretches, yet very important. Stand facing a mirror. Keep one hand behind your back and place the other hand on your head just above your ear. Now slowly pull your head to bend towards the shoulder. Hold this stretch for 10 seconds. Repeat on the other side. Perform this stretch for 10 repetitions each side. For the next stretch, place one arm behind your back in the similar way. Turn your head to 45 degrees. Place another arm behind your head and pull the head down. Hold the stretch for 10 seconds and repeat on the other side. Make sure you bend only your head and not the entire body. Perform this stretch for 10 repetitions on each side. Most individuals having forward head posture do not realize it. This can be the reason for your stressful recurrent neck pains. To perform this exercise, stand facing a mirror or a wall. Touch your chest and stomach to the wall. Place your arms comfortably as shown. Now, pull your head backwards without moving your body. Make sure you tuck your chin. Perform this exercise for 20 repetitions. Reduce the counts if there is any discomfort in your neck. Beginners might feel some pain. For the next exercise, continue facing the mirror or the wall. Do not change the position of your arms. To begin, pull your head backwards and look 30 degrees upwards, maintaining the position of your neck. Relax and repeat. Make sure the chest and belly is still touching the wall or the mirror. Perform this exercise for 20 repetitions. Remain in the same position. Do not change the position of your arms. Observe the movements carefully. To perform this exercise, pull your head backwards and hold it. Now move your arms horizontally backwards to squeeze your shoulders. Maintain the head backwards until 5 repetitions of shoulder squeezes happen. Relax and repeat. Perform this exercise for 20 repetitions with 5 shoulder squeeze every repetition. Beginners can do only 10 repetitions and progress to 20 slowly. Hope the exercises were easy enough for you to follow. You can do these exercises in short spurts with a repetition of 20 each 3 times a day. Questions and doubts are appreciated in the comments below. Remember, people who have already developed Dowagers Hump might need a thorough spinal analysis and further correction protocols in the clinical settings. For further information and spinal corrections, you can visit our clinic in HSR Layout, Bangalore. Thank you.